Yesterday already gone. Tomorrow come when it comes. I stay here, I stay now. That's enough somehow. Mind don't need to run ahead. Please live where I stand instead. I don't rush, won't want to stay. I let it play. Stay present, feel the time, everything aligned. Stay present, calm and free, that's the key. Every moment teach me so. People moving fast and blind, leaving simple things behind. I stay focused, I stay true. I know what I gotta do. Same old pressure, different face. Trying hard to set the pace. I don't follow all that sound, I stay grounded. Still on track, day and night. I don't lose my sight. Still on track, calm and strong. I keep moving on. teach how to stand. Now I understand. Life don't need to push so hard. Every moment play its part. I don't chase one, run away. I move in a natural way. Too much worry in the mind. Peace is easier to find when I stop controlling all I feel. Natural way, slow and true. Everything I do, natural way, night and day. That's the way I stay. When I trust, I feel alive. When I trust, I feel alive. Natural way, soul and two. Everything I do, natural way, night and day. That's the way I stay. what don't fit, I don't drown every bit. Life already heavy sometimes, I protect my mind. People stressing over more, I just breathe in, close the door to what don't bring me peace. I release. No extra weight on my soul, I already feel whole. No extra weight, let it go. Life moves slow. Lighter steps, clearer sight, light on top, everything that's already headed sometime.